Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are traveling or planning a trip and want to keep calls, text or data working outside your usual coverage area, turning on international roaming with Boost Mobile may be something you are trying to figure out right now. Sometimes people arrive at their destination only to realize their phone is not connecting, while others are unsure whether roaming settings need to be turned on through the account or directly on the phone. Since travel features can vary depending on your plan and destination, checking everything before you leave can save time later. The best part is that enabling international roaming usually only takes a few quick steps once you know where to look. Let's go through an easy way to turn on international roaming on Boost Mobile. Try these. Step 1. Sign into the Boost Mobile account and check whether international roaming is included in the plan. Step 2. Review travel options connected to the Boost mobile account if roaming needs to be added first. Step 3. Open mobile network settings on the phone using the Boost mobile service and locate roaming options. Step 4. Turn on roaming for the Boost mobile connection if the setting appears available on the phone. Step 5. Restart the phone connected to the Boost mobile network after changing roaming settings. Step 6. Check signal service on the Boost mobile connection.